My name is Saluwa Nakiyinji. I deal in hardware materials with construction materials. I've been in this field for 7 years, and I deal with every stage that has to do with construction, from the foundation to the roofing stage to finishing of the house. Now, what I usually get, I have different suppliers from whom I get my products, and East African Roofing is one of my suppliers. What I get from East African Roofings, usually I get BRCs that you use in foundation and slabs. Then I get nails, I get wire mesh, and also expanded metals that are used in the roofing at the roofing stage. The reason as to why I get some of my products from East African Roofings, it's because of the quality that they provide to us as customers, and also the quantity. The good thing with their products, there is no funny business behind it. What you ask for is what you get. You get the actual measurements of the product that you want, as the same applies to the quality of the product that you want. Then the advice that I would give to many of the people out there, especially those in construction, as much as you would want to get something at a cheaper price, sometimes cheap comes as costly comes off as costly. Especially if you're buying something that may come up as cheap, but at the end of it all, it becomes costly in a way that what you're getting, quality-wise, is not standard, of good standard. So you end up having to buy more of what you're using so as to cover up, to get the exact quality of what East Africa is providing as to us, the customers.